Hello everyone, greetings from Health Pals. I am Dr. Vibhav Manjrekar. I am a consultant gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon working at Manjrekar Hospital located at Narvekar Gully, Belgaum. Today, as part of our series on women's health awareness, we bring to you a video which will discuss the different changes that a woman undergoes during her life from adolescence to menopause. We will also help you know which of these changes are normal and which of these changes need medical attention from a gynecologist. Let us begin by first discussing about adolescence. Adolescence is a phase which is marked by many changes, some being physical, some emotional, and some social. The most important physical changes which occur are growth, which is heralded by increase in height and increase in weight. Development of secondary sexual characters, which is marked by the development of breasts, changes in physical shape and structure, and development of body hair. And the most important being the onset of menses and the regularity of the menstrual cycle. Any variation from these normal changes needs to be shown to a doctor, preferably a gynecologist. During the initial 2 to 3 years of puberty or adolescence, the periods or menses tend to be irregular, occurring at a duration of around 2 to 3 months or sometimes even more, up to 6 months. This is a normal phenomenon because this is the time taken for the maturation of the system. In case this trend continues for more than 2 to 3 years or the irregularity extends to more than 6 months, then this definitely needs to be shown to a gynecologist. If a girl is menstruating below the age of 10 years or has not had her periods by the age of 15, then this condition needs to be thoroughly investigated under supervision of a gynecologist. If you have any queries or want to consult us regarding any problems, feel free to contact us at Manjrekar Hospital or do visit our Facebook page by the name Manjrekar Hospital. Thank you.